What is Shirkah al-Milk co-ownership in Islam? Imagine sharing a valuable asset with someone else, but neither of you owns a specific part of it. Instead, both of you have an undivided right to the entire property. That's what Shirkah al-Milk is all about. It's a common concept in Islamic finance and law, especially when it comes to property and assets. Think of it as a shared ownership where everyone has a stake, but no one owns a particular piece. This kind of co-ownership can happen in different ways. Sometimes, people choose to share ownership, like two friends buying a car together. Other times, it happens automatically, like when heirs inherit a house from a relative. The key point is that all owners share the same rights over the entire asset, not just a part of it. There are two main types of Shirkah al-Milk. One is called Shirkah al-Ain, which is joint ownership of a physical object like a house, a car, or land. The other is Shirkah al-Dain, which involves shared ownership of a debt or financial claim. This distinction helps clarify what rights each owner has. For example, if two people own a house together, they both have rights over the whole house, not just a part. But if they share a debt, they both owe or are owed the full amount, not just a fraction. In practice, no one can use or sell the property without everyone's agreement. If one owner wants to rent out the house, they need approval from all other owners. If they decide to sell, everyone must agree on the sale. This protects each owner's rights and prevents unilateral decisions. If owners want to end their joint ownership, they can agree to divide the property based on their shares. Until then, the property remains in a state called musha, meaning undivided joint ownership. In Islamic banking, Shirkah al-Milk plays a vital role. It helps structure transactions where people co-own assets, like buying property together or sharing equipment. It also supports inheritance laws, ensuring estates are divided fairly among heirs. When banks offer products like co-ownership schemes for homes or investments, they base their rules on Shirkah al-Milk principles. To sum up, Shirkah al-Milk is about shared ownership of an asset by two or more people. It can be created voluntarily or by law, like through inheritance. All owners must agree on how to use or dispose of the property, and their rights are protected by clear rules. While it's different from business partnerships, it can overlap if owners decide to use their jointly owned asset for a commercial purpose. Understanding these rules helps ensure fairness and compliance with Islamic principles in property and financial dealings.